Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. We are back now for what I believe is part 3 of this cover. It's been dry blasted, but we're going to go back in with our wet blast glass bead now and see if we can bring back a little bit of a shine to this. So stick around, we'll see what happens. So as you can see, in just a matter of minutes, not even a minute, just going over this section here is much shinier and much brighter than this other side that is still all dulled down from where we blasted in our dry blast. It really depends on the finish that you're looking for. I personally like this shiny finish. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.